Are you looking to make money while you sleep? Or are you looking to start your very first passive income source and start making money fairly quickly? Well, if you said yes to either one of those questions, then this video is going to be for you. And you need to stay tuned to the end of this video to see exactly how the Amazon Influencer Program has done that all for me. Now, I've just started only like about a few months ago, maybe 2 or so months ago, and I'm generating a great amount of passive income as a beginner. And so I'm here to share that all with you and show you how you can use the Amazon Influencer Program as your starting point and as your first passive income source. So, hi everybody, my name is Mercedes Gomez and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great week, starting the week off on the right foot. And in this video, I'm excited to just talk to you guys and share with you all the information that I have found from the Amazon Influencer Program and how it has been the best passive income stream for a beginner. So if you're somebody that's just looking to, start earning money passively so you can continue to work and continue to, invest in other things and build yourself, build, your experience, your knowledge, then this is a great opportunity for you. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to really see exactly how much money I'm making. But I want to talk to you guys and just explain this side hustle, explain this passive income source, and show you why it's worked for me and why it is the best thing that you could do for yourself right now. So right off the bat, I just want to address the fact that I've only been in the Amazon Influencer Program for a little over 2 months now. And I have learned so much in these few 2 months of this program, but the Amazon Influencer Program has, so much potential. And in just 2 months, I am able to really and hardly do any work, and I'm still making $100 a day from this program, all passively. So I will explain that a little bit more. I also have a ton of videos on my channel explaining the program in depth, but I really want to share with you how this is the best passive income source as a beginner for somebody who has no prior experience and, the first thing that you could start to really start building yourself to make this passive income. Now, like I said, I started about 2 months ago, and as soon as I got the blue lock removed and was able to start making on-site commission, I worked extremely hard. In just about 2 months, I was able to make 700 product review videos that are posted on Amazon and marketed all by Amazon. So with the Amazon Influencer Program, you just have to make shoppable videos and submit them through the Amazon Influencer Program, and Amazon will post them on product pages and across the Amazon website. This is a great thing for beginners because you don't have to have any marketing experience, you don't have to have a following, you don't have to, share the links and share the videos with other people. Amazon will do that all for you. So like I said, in 2 short months, I uploaded 700 videos, meaning I had a video on 700 different products. And if somebody watched my video, either the entire video or at least 30 seconds of it, I made a commission off of that sale. So this is a great reason why I'm saying it's great for beginners, because you really don't need much. You just have to be able to sit down, review products, and post it to the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, another catch to this is, you might be saying you don't have money, you don't want to invest. Well, the great thing about this program, which is another reason it's great for beginners, is because you can review almost anything, and there's going to be so many things around your home that you can review without even having to buy anything. So let me just explain on that a little bit further. Basically, any product, whether you bought it on Amazon or not, as long as it's on the Amazon website, you can make a review video for, post the review video, and possibly earn commission if somebody watches your video and makes a purchase. So, in the 2 months that I've been doing this program and the 700 videos I created, I hardly had to purchase anything. All I did was go around my home and find as many products as I could to review and make these videos for. So what that means is basically anything that you can find on the Amazon website, whether it be soap, lotion, medicine, books, toys, games, cards, video games, electronics, computers, equipment, workout equipment, shoes, clothes, like the list goes on. And some people are like 700. How did you find that? Well, I'm not even kidding. I reviewed everything and anything as long as it was on the Amazon website. I didn't look at price. I didn't look at reviews. I reviewed everything I could find. And you can also go to friends' houses, relatives' houses, your office, anywhere that there's products you can review. And maybe you think that, oh, I have a ton of friends, I have a ton of family. Well, no, I didn't have that either. I think that I only had one other house that I could go to find products. Most of this I found in my own home. So if you have family and friends, you're going to be able to find way more than 700 products. You just have to really apply yourself and really go looking for these things to review. And then you need to actually review them and post these videos. So I literally have like tripods, calculators, blue light glasses, fans, heaters, anything and everything, I'm not kidding, you can make a review video for. Now, a huge reason why I just tried to ignore price, ignore reviews, and just review what I had at home was because a big thing in this program to me is quantity. The more videos and the more products I had my videos on, to me is better. I wasn't looking to go buy high-priced items so I could earn a bigger commission. I was just looking to get my videos on as many product pages as I possibly could. So that's the course or the route that I took, and I think it's been pretty beneficial. You are going to see some people in the program that review higher priced items and have way less videos. Now, in their case, they're probably making a good commission off of, selling one or two items. But if they don't get a sale, then they essentially don't make any commission, right? So I think having more videos that bring in less commission, helps buffer the load if I don't make a sale. So if one of my small items don't sell, it's not really going to impact my overall commission amount because I have so many products that I'm selling versus just selling a few items per day to make that same amount of commission. So you kind of have to go about it your own way and figure out your own course of action in this program, but this is mine, and let me continue to explain to you how this has been the best route for me and how it's been able to generate me a huge amount of passive income since I started the program. Another reason why this has been able to really help me in this program is because I hardly had to invest any money into it. I haven't spent a ton of money on buying products, I haven't spent a ton of money buying expensive products, and I've really been able to just hang on to my money and invest it in other places. Now this is huge because a lot of people are saying, invest some of your earnings back into the program. Well, something that you may not realize or people aren't really talking about is that you don't get your first check from the Amazon Influencer program until 2 months after you've been in the program. So it's really hard to invest that money when nothing else is coming in. And also, I've already been in the program for over 2 months and the money still hasn't hit my account. So to avoid putting yourself in a pinch, I wouldn't recommend reinvesting into the program so much in the beginning, because when I show you my results, I have been able to get to this point without investing hardly any money and just using products that I had from around my home. What this has also allowed me to do is just utilize my time evenly, not spread myself too thin, and just make sure that this is something that I can maintain. If you put so much time into this program, if you give it your all, if you quit your job, if you do all these kinds of crazy things, I wouldn't recommend it. And that's because we don't know how long this program is going to last, and this is just something you want to keep as a side hustle. You want to keep making money from your job. You want to keep making money from the things that are, giving you the money that you need to live, and this is just extra money that you can eventually scale, and hopefully good things can come from it. Now, like I said, this is a beginner passive income stream, one of the best or the best first one that you could start because it's so easy. You don't need a lot of money, you don't need a lot of time, and just the more work you put into it, the bigger and crazier you can grow this thing. So like I said, by just recording things from around my home, not putting a lot of money back into this program, not spreading myself too thin, and being able to maintain other side hustles and other jobs, these are all little tidbits and little things that have helped me and why I think this is the best beginner passive income stream. Now, my final tip on all of that is, and another reason why I think this is the best beginner passive income stream to start, is because now that I'm 2 months into this program, I can look at it and I can see how I can scale it. Because all I have done for the past 2 months is record small things from around my home, and I'm making over $100 a day. So now that the money is coming in, now that I'm about to receive my first Amazon check, and now that I can actually see the amount of money I'm gonna make across the next couple of months, I can reinvest and I can figure out what are the good products that I want to review? Where do I want to spend my money? And how I can just scale this and take it to the next level. Now, a lot of people do that right out of the gates. They, quit their job. They spend all their money on this program buying high-priced or high-ticket item things. And that's just not the route that I took. I just made sure to record everything at my house, not put a lot of money into it, and when I show you the results that I'm getting from this program, just by doing that, you are going to be amazed. And so many people can start this, so many people can, decide that they want to do it tonight, apply for the program, and hopefully get in and start making their first 3 videos for approval instantly. Now, you do need a following for this program. It's around the 1,000 follower mark. So if you're around there, then you can just join and hopefully get approved. But if not, you are going to have to take it one step further and grow your following before you can get into the program. But when I say grow your following, this is not a huge following. You don't have to be a top tier influencer. I simply had 5,000 followers on TikTok and was able to get in this program. So this is definitely something that you can do, and you can do it pretty quickly. Now, some other little things that this program did for me, that's another reason on top of all the reasons that I already gave you on why this is the best beginner passive income stream to start, is it gets you comfortable in front of the camera. It gets you making content, creating content, and on the road to being an influencer. This program allows you to get in without even being, like I said, a top tier influencer. So doing these things, filming yourself, getting comfortable in front of the camera, getting comfortable hearing your own voice, are all things that are going to just help you take your influencer status to the next level. This is going to open doors for you to create more content, create content that you enjoy, whether it be, business and finance content. Maybe you have a hobby that you like, all kinds of different content that you can create, and you can continue to grow your following. This also helps you with meeting new people and talking to sponsors. There's going to be people that reach out to you that want to give you products for free in exchange for a video. So you're going to get to learn all of that, and you're going to get that really quickly. Something else this program does is it just got me fired up and motivated to start more things, more side hustles, and keep learning and expanding my knowledge. Like 1 week into the Amazon influencer program, I started this YouTube channel, and I'm scaling this as well. So this program gets you fired up. I'm not even kidding. My comment section, everybody's always telling me how motivated they are and how excited they are. And this program really helps you do that because you start seeing commissions fairly quickly. Now, once you start seeing results, that keeps you going, that keeps you motivated, and that keeps you wanting to achieve more and more and more. So that's why this is another great reason why this is the best side hustle to start as a beginner, or the best passive income stream that you can start if you're new, if you have no experience, or if you're a beginner. So I hope you guys take all of that and you run with it, because this is by far the greatest thing that has ever happened to me, and I'm just going to keep growing and keep scaling this until I can't anymore. Now that you've made it to the end of the video, let me kind of share some statistics with you on how the month of April has been going for me. Now, if you've been following me for a long time, I like to make results videos, so I am going to have a result video for the whole month of April that I will share with you. So this video is not going to go into like specific detail on my day-by-day earnings or anything like that, but I am going to give you some facts or show you some stats on how I'm doing this month, 20 days into April, and show you my results. And these results are off of me posting maybe 5 videos or 5 review videos within this whole month. And those videos aren't even generating me this income. This income is strictly off of the other 700 videos that I made, and not even all 700 of those are getting me commission. But by having 700, I'm able to sell a different variety of products every day. I'm basically selling over 100 items a day, some ranging from like just a few cents and some ranging to like $20 to $50. But when I read you these stats and show you that I'm really making $100 a day by doing absolutely nothing in the month of April, you are going to be amazed and you're going to want to do this yourself. Because it only took me 2 months of building to get to this point. And now I'm excited to scale and take this up a notch. So let me read you some stats. These stats are from April 1st to April 20th. The lowest day I made in this program, I made $60.84, and that was on a Thursday. Now it's very funny because my highest day in this program was also a Thursday, and I made $146.85. In 20 days of April 1st through April 20th, I have made a total of $2,004.21 in 20 days. So that leaves my average per day to $100.21. That is absolutely insane. For doing no work, for waking up every morning just refreshing my results and my reports page and seeing $100 a day average is crazy. And these stats are exactly why this Amazon influencer program has got to be the best side hustle for a beginner, for someone with no experience, or somebody that's just simply looking to find motivation and find something to do. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you follow, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment, like my video, and just stay tuned, because if you didn't know, I'm also hosting this giveaway that when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a $100 Amazon gift card that you could use to build your program and use it to make a ton more money. So I really hope you follow along on my journey and you start yours, because this has changed my life and it can simply change yours. So I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all of you watching this video. I hope this video was able to motivate you and just start your week off on the right foot. Don't wait any longer to start this program. I challenge you to start it now and start whatever other side hustle you have in mind and just find the time to get it done, because that's what I'm doing and it has resulted in just so much greatness. So if you need anything, you know where to find me. Y'all have a great day. Bye.